Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the room tour where I'm staying in this Crowne Plaza of New Delhi, which is a 5-star property. So, this is the quick overall view of the room. To show you much better. So, they have a bathtub and you can also see the view of the room from here. Then this is the washroom, which seems to be quite spacious and very big, and they have also given a lot of toiletries with this. So we have everything looks like something that's nice because it is a 5-star property. I really love the lighting also that they have given in the washroom. So they have hair dryer and other stuffs. So this is the wardrobe closet that they have given. And going forward, this is the bed and the lights. So let me show you what and all they have given for us to have some snacks. Of course, looks like these are chargeable, but I saw the price, which is not that high. So if you like, we can go ahead and have that. They also have mini bar, which has a lot of chocolates, drinks, cool drinks, everything. So then comes my another favorite corner where I love to have morning coffee and tea. So I really liked the way that they have stuffed this inside so that we can use it and keep the table very clean after the use. Then we have TV, a small couch, so people who are coming here for work, so they can also do the work. They have a workstation. I really liked because I have some work to do, and that's going to be a very great stay here. So this is how it looks like. I like the color combination of the blankets that they have used here. Let me show you the view. I am staying in the 11th floor, and this is amazing view, I should say. I'm so happy to see. Probably can sit here and have a cup of coffee and look outside. I meant to explore the property completely, but I thought in short I will show you how the room looks like. So keep following for more, and I'm sure you will like all the episodes that I'm going to do forward in my stay in Delhi, and I will try to talk more about my experiences in my further vlogs. Till then, signing off. Take care everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.